Welcome, guys. So, if you guys follow my first channel, my other channel, you guys know that I was in college. I actually got this 2 months ago, my degree, finally, and automotive technology, um, associates of applied science. It took a lot of hard work, but we got it done, and I finally got my degree. And so now I have more time to make videos, guys, and I've been working on some new videos for the Han Custom channel as well as Han Gaming first channel. This is obviously Han Customs channel. And yeah, took a lot of hard work. And stay tuned for more videos.